Josh here. I'm getting ready to go through hunting in the woods with my BB gun because I don't feel like actually using a rifle. Hope y'all find something worth killing today. Yesterday I killed a leaf, not because I thought it was a bird. Ooh, I hear birds. Aw, oh, come on, I hate when you do that. That's kind of gay. Oh, that's why. Oops, I jammed it. I'm not gonna waste bullets. Ow. I'm actually gonna go hunt where I know they are. Such a nice day for a nice hike. Only if the temperature wasn't like 70 degrees Celsius out here. Not that way. It's a little bit over here. Oh. Hey, maybe I might actually shoot Bigfoot. Or that he exists. Next thing you know, Secret Service will be winding up on my door. I'll be going to jail. I've been thinking, if I could actually get enough people, I would make a real video of Nazi zombies. But I was really going to use dogs as hellhounds. Hey, I see something white over there. Well, either I found snow or it's something else. Which I'm not gonna say because I'm not that cruel. Ooh, I just gotta get out of here. Huh. That's odd. Maybe look where I started. Huh. Not a coincidence. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to it, and leave a comment. Which I doubt most of you will subscribe, but that's alright. Well, once the likes. Once you subscribe so I can become more famous. Like I once was on my other account, but I sort of accidentally deleted it. Well, if you want to see more of this, make sure to leave a comment in the box, which I will not be disabling it though, until it gets a little out of control. And this will be part 1 of bird hunting. Peace out.